So guys, we're here once more and again. We had to take our car to the Firestone so that they could put a new tire on the other.
Because they didn't check the tires like we asked them to.
Right.
Because we asked them to check all of our tires.
Typical men folk. Yeah. We love y'all though.
Yeah, so we're getting things done.
But we're here at Target. Again, y'all, this is our local Target. It's probably our favorite place to come. The Starbucks in Target has boba. And we've been going all over to certain, not all over the city, but to certain areas, certain locations to try and find the Summerberry refresher with the boba pearls. And they say they're out. But this location, our Target location, has boba pearls, has the whole drink. We're about to enjoy. We are headed back to Firestone, and getting that good walk in because it is needed. I never thought that I would be one of those people who walks from like around the block and all that to the store and all that. I just never thought I'd be doing that. But I'm 40.
And we're active now.
Actually, I'm 39. I'll be 40 in November. But, oh yeah, and we're active. So, yeah.
Are you filming me? Hey. Don't you look like she's filming me?
She does.
She does, yeah. Hey.
But she's not.
All right, your receipt's on your email for you.
Okay.
That's the promotional terms on the card.
Awesome.
That's
Thank
it, you're all
you.
good.
Hey guys, so I'm really tired. I just got done with my workout. First workout of, well, technically yesterday was the first workout of the week, the first workout of the official week of my birthday. And so welcome to my birthday vlog. And so this week you're gonna kind of journey with me getting ready for my birthday. I'll be 38 this year. Amen, thanks be to God. And so I just actually, as a gift to myself, I made my one mile in 14 minutes and 43 seconds on a 2% incline. And I've been trying to get that all last week and I got it today. So happy birthday to me, non-scale victories and birthday gifts. I have these Dan Skin leggings. I really love them. They're so soft and they kind of have like a suede kind of feeling, but they're not suede at all. And I got these from Marshall's a couple of weeks ago. So unfortunately, I don't have a link for these. If I can find Dan Skin leggings, I think they were $17.99 at Marshall's. And then I have this tee, All in Motion. I love this tee. I just got it too. So I've been kind of re-upping on my workout stuff because I like black workout stuff now. But I got this from Target and it was only, I think, $12. I got this Zella, I think it's called, jacket that does like a little drawstring action to kind of crop more. I got this from Nordstrom Rack. If I can find a link for that, I'll definitely do that. I have my little Apple Watch here. And then I have these, I can't remember the name of these headbands. These are what I wear to work out in, so that my hair can be just pulled back. And I'll tag these, I got these from Target. And then I have my newer On Cloud sneakers. Like, I just got these like probably about a month ago now. They're so cute, I got them from Nordstrom. I think they're about like $150 or so. So yes, that is my look. And all of this stuff will be on my LTK too. So if you follow me there, you can get them there too.
So we're at a pizza making class with Kim's birthday. This is super cool. So we're gonna actually be standing here at a table with a group of people making our own pizzas. This is gonna be really sweet, really cute. I'm gonna do it. Normally I don't be doing this kind of stuff. I'm gonna do it, and we're gonna see how it goes. So guys, we are in here to find flour
To feed the starter.
Yeah.
They don't have it, so either the starter is gonna be ruined, or I'm just gonna have to get it tomorrow.
I'm trying to figure out if I should get the hydrating oil mist by OGX, or should I get the one that I usually get, which is the anti-breakage serum. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the anti-breakage serum. I'm gonna get the one from back here, cause yeah. Fit check in Target. What do we have on?
Oh. I have on my dress from ASOS. It's a t-shirt dress, very old, for about a year old. I have this belt that I just got from Madewell, and I actually got it on Amazon, but it's by Madewell. My shoes are by Zara. These are those uncomfortable shoes. And then I have my favorite Tory Burch bag. And then my earrings are the Balenciaga dupes. And no, is it Balenciaga or
I think it is Balenciaga.
what's the other brand?
I think they're the Balenciaga dude.
Whatever. It's those dupes, and then
The drops.
yeah, the drop earrings, and I got these from Amazon. I think they were like $12.
So I have this cute sweatshirt from Zella. I got it from Nordstrom Rack, and then I have on this skirt from Target, which we're here. Got it from Target. It's by Joy Lab, and then I have on my my Adidas court sneakers, and then I have my Coach bag on, and yeah, I don't have any earrings because I didn't feel like putting no earrings on, and more than likely I would have put on my my Tory Burch earrings. So, yeah. Oh, nice.
I didn't see this.
Oh, y'all, look at this.
It's only $25. How's the color look on me?
Oh no, I think I like that. I like that. That's pretty. That's pretty. You should probably try it on. Oh, I have a cream one, right?
Oh yeah. Ooh, that's nice.
That's cute.
That is very cute.
I like that. But I don't know like what I would wear with it.
If they had white leggings like this color, I would do that.
So y'all, do we like this hat on Kim? Kim says that she doesn't like it, but I think it's cute. What y'all think? I think it's cute. Look at that. That is nice. That's nice. It looks good on her. Do you like the hat at all, or you
I like the hat down like off of me.
Yeah, it's cute. I love it.
So y'all, I'm shazamming the music in Target because they have such great music, and I never know who a lot of the artists are, and so I'm shazamming this. Hopefully it picks up. Sunny Cologne.
Sunny Cologne. Who's that?
Vibe.
Okay. Y'all, we be in Target just singing. Oh, yeah, yeah. Let me get out of here, y'all. These people trying to go home. Y'all, we come in our local Target like almost every day, basically, or every evening. And one of the workers here, she's always nice to me and Kim. And she's always saying, sister, sister. And the thing that we say at the end of the night, or at the end of like, or right before we walk out the door, she'll be like, see you guys tomorrow. And just about, yeah, she gonna see us tomorrow.
Yeah, she was like, I've never seen you guys with your hair. Like, what did she say?
Done.
Well, she didn't say done because she said that she didn't know that it wasn't done before. But then she's like, and then you cut it in a bob because I'm usually in like the headband.
Right.
And then Keyondra, she's been having
my hair in a bun. I
the
just got my
gel
hair
down.
cut.
Yep.
Yep.
And so she's not seen our hair or seen us dressed up, because like people rarely see us with makeup or anything like that. And she was like, "Y'all are so pretty." And she was like, "I didn't know you guys were sisters, but I could have sworn we told we were sisters." And this man that's walking out here, he was just all in her mouth.
Sure was.
I was like, "Oh my gosh, this is so weird."
It was. I told her, I was like, I'm embarrassed.
I was appreciative, but it was so weird because
yes.
that man was looking,
Yeah, people just be, nosy.
The lady that he's with, she was minding her business like
right.
normal.
I mean, like, because girl code 101. 101. Now you know full well. Don't like make the other girl feel embarrassed. She already embarrassed. Like, what you mean?
It's like so funny.
Men are weird.
Talk about.
Hi. Can I get 2 medium? Oh, can I get 2 large sweet teas with extra ice?
I don't have any sweet tea. I do apologize.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Stuck in here.
So now we're stuck in here.
They need a way to get out. Because, like, what if you don't want, like, what if they don't have something you want? Oh, we can go to Arby's.
Oh, yeah.
Arby's has good sweet tea, too.
Yes,
Is this thing on?
Yes, it is.
Oh, gosh.
So, y'all, they didn't have our sweet tea, so.
Yeah, because we're getting drinks for our pizza, and we do this. Well, I mean, I guess it's more of my thing. I like to...
I mean, it's as annoying as it can be at times. It makes a lot of sense.
We do it.
It makes a lot of sense.
We forgot to get... Well, we were going to get something in Target, and then we were like... Well, then I was like, well, I think I want sweet tea from Taco Bell.
Y'all, Taco Bell got
And
some good sweet tea.
They really do. And so Keondra's like, okay, yeah, let's get that. And then they don't even have it.
She said, I don't have sweet tea.
I don't. She doesn't have it.
This
so that
is her
means
Taco
they
Bell.
might have it.
Yes, we do.
Okay, can I get... What size? Can I get 2 large sweet teas with extra ice, please?
Okay.
And that'll be all.
Okay, you can pull around for me.
Thank you.
I can't believe we have to use this.
Well, why wouldn't we? We don't know where it is.
Where are we? It doesn't...
Where am I? I don't know where I am. Oh, well, I'm on the top floor. Mall of
Where's Pandora?
Pandora.
Down there.
Down. I thought so.
I'm about to try on my dress for my birthday on Saturday and my shoes that I got. I'll show you guys the shoes later.
We've not gone to the gym yet today, but I'm gonna see how it feels, how sweat wicking it is, and I'll let you guys know. But it feels really good. I'm not hot at all, and yeah, so super cute. Again, these are the leggings from All in Motion, and yeah, I really like my look. It's giving Lululemon on a budget. Okay. You think they're heavy?
Yeah, I am. Yeah, let me put these away.
Can you read anything on the bottom?
It's blurry, but DRSVO.
And then any difference between 1 and 2?
Happy birthday to me.
We of course had to come to Zara because you can't come to the mall and not go into Zara. So yeah, just looking right now, and again.
Kimberly Lockett? You happy Happy's coming in? It's your birthday? Yeah. All right. Did anybody help you out today? No. What birthday gift did you want to get today? What's available? So you have utility people, you have perfume, Gucci, the Moroccan oil, or you could do Kosas.
For Kim's birthday. This is going to be a really good meal. I'm super excited about it. We were at lunch with a business partner about like maybe a year or so ago, I think. And he told us about this place. And ever since we've been trying to get here, but like you have to make reservations like time in advance. So we're finally here. Special occasion. And I think it's going to be really good.
Back home from a great day. It's been a great day. We started with errands. I did work out today. I did a 15-minute video. Our cousin challenged me to do a 15-minute video, so I did that. I was a little discouraged this week. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm back in the game. My head's back in the game. So today has been a great birthday. It's been a very relaxing and calm day. We have really great food. I'm gonna enjoy me a little piece of cake and some ice cream as my birthday tradition. And tomorrow I'm going to get up and do some content. And Monday I'm back at my workout because I have another goal. So I made 20 pounds. My goal was 40. I made 20 pounds by my birthday. That's great. And then so now I'm on to do another 20 by Thanksgiving. So I thank y'all so much for watching my birthday vlog. I hope you enjoyed going through our adventurous week. What's wrong with me? Through our adventurous week this week. It's been a really good one. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave us some comments. Follow us if you're not already. So subscribe. Follow us on our social media, JolieNoire Apparel, Keys to Lux Life, and Keyondra's KeyondraLockett. And subscribe to us here. Comment below if you really like this video. Happy birthday, whatever your sentiments are. Again, we appreciate you guys for always showing up and for commenting and for loving on us. Bye, guys.